Next thing we're going to want to do is set up the button and the list view and the array adapter that's associated with the list view. So start with the array adapter. Array adapter, make it a string array adapter, and we'll call it list adapter. Button, we'll call that connect new, and list view, and we'll just call that list view. Import those and make a new method called init. So init, and just allow create method init, allow Eclipse to do it for you. It's easier that way. And we want to go connect new equals button find view by ID r.id.be connect new list view new. That's the class, so just make sure you don't make that mistake. List view find view by ID, and lastly we want to do the list adapter equals new array adapter. Context is this. The source ID is going to be android.r.layout.simple list item 1, and lastly we want 0 there. And finally we need to set up the adapter for set adapter, and we'll call that list adapter. So let's just do a wee test here while we still don't have the Bluetooth connection to debug on. Alright, no, don't worry about that, because we're not going to be able to test the rest of it with the emulator. There's no point in testing that with it. So that's good to go. Now we need to get started on some Bluetooth things. So first thing we're going to want to do when we start our application is check if the phone has Bluetooth. Next thing we're going to want to do is check that Bluetooth is enabled. So let's get started on those there. So I'm just moving around a bit here. First thing we want to do is